Salvete discipuli. Today's assignment is going to be focusing on reviewing verbs. So again, you're going to want your reference sheet, or if you don't have it handy or with you, you can use page 249 and 250 to help you. There's a reference section in the back that has the charts. So for today's assignment, you're going to be conjugating two verbs. So we're going to review real quickly how to do that before you get started. The first verb that you're going to do is a present tense verb, and the second one is a perfect tense verb. So don't get those mixed up. There are two different tenses. The first one is actually going to be a third conjugation verb. So real quickly, we're going to go over what that means and how to know which endings to use. So like anything else in Latin, you're going to go to the second form to find your stem and then to learn some more information about what you're dealing with. So with your verbs, you're going to go to the second form and take off the RE ending, just those two letters, RE. And what you're left with at the end of the stem is a vowel, and that vowel is going to tell you which pattern to use, which conjugation you're in. If that vowel that's left is an A, you're in first conjugation. If it's an E with a long mark, it is second conjugation. And if it is an E without a long mark, it is third conjugation. So for first and second conjugation, you don't have to worry about it. Nothing changes. You use the stem, add your endings, good to go. For third conjugation, that E, since there's no long mark, is going to drop out. And you're going to add your new third conjugation endings to it. So instead of adding just OST, MUS, TIS, and T, instead you will add O, is, it, imus, itis, unt. And those are your third conjugation present tense endings. So make sure you drop that E out before you add your endings. To translate, remember you're going to use I, you, he, she, it, and then plural we, y'all, they, and then whatever your verb's meaning is. So don't forget to find the stem, and then don't forget to use third conjugation endings, and don't forget to translate. For the second verb that you're going to do, you're actually going to use perfect tense. And to find that stem, you remember we go to the third form. So for every tense, we go to the second form to find the stem, but when it comes to perfect, that's when we go to the third form because that's the perfect form. So you'll go to the third form and you'll actually take off the I, and whatever is left is your stem, and you'll add your perfect tense endings. Remember when you translate to add an ED on the end of your English word, or just make it a simple past tense, whatever that might look like. And so don't forget to translate, don't forget to find the stem. Hopefully this is easy review for you. We've done this for a while, so just to get verbs kind of back in your head and forefront, that's what we're doing today. And if you have any questions, if you get started, get stuck, need help, as always, just let me know. I'd love to help you. And that's it for today. Salvete discipuli.